Gotta love leftovers. I love leftover chicken, and I particularly love chicken salad. Hi, I'm Nica Waters, and welcome to Tasty Thursday. I'm going to show you how to make a classic chicken salad, which works with leftover baked chicken, cooked on purpose chicken for something else. If you have a rotisserie chicken, it even works with canned chicken. So cruisers, take note. So there you have it, chicken salad. It's as easy as 4 ingredients, maybe 5, depending if you want some yogurt in there or not. But it's got chicken, it's got celery, it's got onions, it's got mayonnaise, and it's got salt and pepper, which I sort of don't count. And then you just get to eat it. What a fabulous way to use up some leftover chicken, or just to spice it up all on your own. Happy Tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, press like, tag a friend you think should see it, share it with somebody who loves chicken, chicken salad, sandwiches, interesting things for lunch or dinner, and don't forget to subscribe. There will be another something amazing, delicious, and yes, you totally can do it yourself next Thursday. I hope you have the most amazing week. Yummy things are yummy. Yummy things are yummy. Yummy things are winter. There you go. That's even better. Make sure there are no bones. Make sure there's no skin.
That's ominous.